everyone. It's day 242 of the Feathered Quest, and today's bird of the day is the Savannah Sparrow. Savannah sparrows are loyal to their roots. Birds born along coasts and islands usually return to the exact spot they hatched, a habit that has shaped the species into many distinct subspecies. Let's go find that daily feather. Thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, do we find our bird of the day?